Hello everyone, and welcome back to another French Fried Trains Minecraft build showcase, where we look back at some older builds newer subscribers might not know that we have done. And today we're looking at two basic railroad bridges here of two different styles. One is a trestle bridge, the other is a flat deck, and these weren't built into terrain, it was just built to show off for a video here. So if you do want to build either of these bridge types, we have full tutorials for it up on the channel already. I will have that video linked in the description here. And you can see the deck is completely see-through, as it would really be. And we also put some lanterns up there for lighting. And then there's this pretty standard flat deck bridge, which you see here in the USA a lot. And we have some torches under it to mark off the bridge piers. And I just wanted to show this off in case anyone did not know that we used to build these types of things. I have a full railroad infrastructure series from a long time ago where we did these bridges, a bunch of different types of signals, and railroad crossings, as well as track plans. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and everyone have a great week.